Good day guys, welcome back to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video I'm showing you how to check Steam account value using API key tools. So if you want the safest and fastest way, you can just use this service called SteamDB and go to calculator. In here you just insert someone else's ID. For example, I'm just going to type Bunny. Okay, go here, and as you can see now you have the profile. And you can see the account value if the games are, not hidden. And then if you want the manual way, you open up your desktop Steam client, click your profile name on the top right, and go to account details. From here, you locate your unique 17-digit string labeled Steam ID and copy this token. And then you can use the Steam database calculator engine. So just external evaluation tools, pass your Steam ID 64 straight to the IP player service, and then /get owned games. The engine filters out free-to-play junk, maps your active app ID codes, and pulls live precise points. And this outputs a highly detailed financial summary showing your library value at current store price versus historical sale lows. So as you can see, you can just input those 32 digits into here and get your data. So that is it. Also, if this helped, don't forget to like and of course hit that subscribe button for more videos.